Planet Earth teems with life. From towering mountains to hidden caves, our world is full of breathtaking landscapes. These natural wonders inspire awe and wonder. They remind us of the power and beauty of the natural world. These places are more than just pretty views. They are vital ecosystems, home to diverse species. They regulate climates and provide essential resources. Exploring these wonders helps us understand our planet better. Let us journey together to some of Earth's most remarkable corners. We will witness the beauty and learn why we must protect these irreplaceable treasures. Come, explore the magic with me. The Amazon rainforest is a world of its own. The air is thick with humidity. The scent of damp earth and exotic flowers fills your senses. The canopy above teems with life, a symphony of chirps, croaks, and calls. The Amazon River, a colossal giant, snakes through the heart of the forest. Its waters teem with creatures, from pink dolphins to giant otters. Indigenous communities have lived in harmony with the rainforest for centuries. I remember once, deep in the Amazon, a jaguar crossed my path. Its eyes met mine for a fleeting moment, a reminder of the raw power of nature. The Amazon, a treasure trove of biodiversity, is a stark reminder of the delicate balance we must strive to protect. The Nile, the longest river on Earth, flows through the heart of Africa. For millennia, the Nile has been a lifeline for civilizations. Ancient Egyptians revered the Nile as a god. Its annual floods brought fertile soil, sustaining life. Cruising down the Nile, you are transported back in time. Majestic temples and pyramids stand tall against the desert landscape. The air is hot and dry, carrying the scent of sand and spices. I recall the sight of Abu Simbel at sunrise. The sun's rays illuminated the colossal statues of Ramses II, a truly awe-inspiring spectacle. The Nile reminds us of our interconnectedness with nature and the legacy of past civilizations. The Himalayas, home to the highest peaks on Earth, are a sight to behold. Snow-capped mountains pierce the sky, their jagged peaks often shrouded in mist. Prayer flags flutter in the wind, carrying the hopes of the people to the heavens. The air is thin and crisp. The silence is broken only by the sound of your own breath and the distant rumble of an avalanche. Yaks graze in the high pastures, their thick coats protecting them from the cold. I remember trekking in the shadow of Mount Everest. The sheer scale of the mountains was humbling. Reaching the summit of a peak, even a smaller one, is an exhilarating feeling. The Himalayas teach us about resilience and the pursuit of human ambition. The Great Barrier Reef, a kaleidoscope of colors. Beneath the surface of the ocean lies a world of incredible beauty. The Great Barrier Reef, the largest coral reef system in the world, is a kaleidoscope of colors. Fish of every imaginable hue dart in and out of the coral. Sea turtles glide gracefully through the water. Diving in the reef is like entering another universe. The sunlight filters through the water. The sound of your own breathing is all that breaks the silence. It's a magical experience to witness this underwater wonderland. I remember my first encounter with a giant clam. Its iridescent mantle was mesmerizing. The Great Barrier Reef reminds us of the incredible diversity of life on Earth and the importance of protecting our oceans. The Northern Lights, nature's light show. In the high latitudes, a celestial ballet unfolds across the night sky. The Northern Lights, or Aurora Borealis, are a magical spectacle. Shimmering curtains of green, purple, and red dance across the horizon. Standing beneath the celestial display, you feel a sense of awe and wonder. The silence of the Arctic night amplifies the experience. It's a humbling reminder of the vastness of the universe and the power of nature. I recall a night in Iceland watching the Northern Lights dance for hours. It was like a dream, a magical experience I'll never forget. The Northern Lights remind us of the mysteries and beauty that lie beyond our everyday world. Grand Canyon, a timeless masterpiece. The Grand Canyon, carved by the Colorado River over millions of years, is a testament to the power of nature. The canyon's vast scale is difficult to comprehend. Its layers of rock tell a story of geological time. Gazing into the canyon's depths, you can't help but feel small. The colors of the rock change with the light. Condors soar on thermals, their wingspans dwarfing even the largest birds. I remember hiking down to the canyon floor. The temperature difference was striking. The Colorado River roared at the bottom, a powerful reminder of the forces that shape this landscape. The Grand Canyon inspires awe and reminds us of the Earth's long and fascinating history. The call to protect our wonders. Our natural wonders are under threat. Climate change, pollution, and deforestation are taking their toll. We have a responsibility to protect these precious places for future generations. Simple actions can make a difference. Reducing our carbon footprint, supporting sustainable tourism, and advocating for conservation efforts are all crucial. We must be mindful of our impact on the environment. These places are not just beautiful, they are essential for the health of our planet. Let's work together to ensure that these natural treasures continue to inspire awe and wonder for generations to come. A world of wonder awaits. Our planet is full of breathtaking beauty, from the depths of the ocean to the highest mountain peaks. Exploring these natural wonders enriches our lives, reminding us of the power and fragility of nature. Let us be inspired by these places to become better stewards of our planet. Let us explore responsibly and protect these treasures for future generations. A world of wonder awaits. Go out and explore.